How to make AI videos in YouCut AI video editing tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can make AI videos in YouCut, so make sure you watch the video till the end. Now in order to make AI videos in YouCut, you open the YouCut video editor, and as soon as you open it up, on the left hand side you can see the AI button. So what you have to do is tap on this AI button right here. Now there are many AI features like AI enhance or AI painting, so you can go all of these AI tools. You can see these are all the AI features that it offers, right? So you can go ahead and select a particular tool, select a video that you might want to convert, for example, and then from there on you'll be able to make AI videos. Now within your editing dashboard, whenever you're editing a certain project also, you can choose to utilize some of the AI features that are available within the editing timeline. So this way you can make use of AI in YouCut. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.